Alright, good morning, guys. Today is February 9th, 2026. Um, Recording this currently 20 minutes after New York Open. I'm just going to break down kind of the trade I took for you guys. I'm going to say this now. I do not have a runner. This would currently be the profit, but I do not have a runner going at this moment. Only because for the prop firm that I'm currently on, I am pretty much capped out at daily profit for any given trading day. So just keep that in mind as we go through this. All right, starting off, once this loads, it's frozen. Starting off on the 4 hour. During Asia and London, or pre-London, I should say, we were short. Even after London, yeah, we were short as well, up into this 4 hour fair value gap. Where when I was looking at price, we were down here and I did not like it at all. It was not something that was intriguing me. However, I kept in mind that if we reject higher and close above at least 50% of this gap, or just have a strong reaction to the upside, then I will be more inclined to looking for longs or being bullish for New York. All right, let's go down to the 1 hour. Before New York Open, I had marked out this OB, which of course got invalidated pretty quick. So let's take that away. What we have here is the 2 a.m. low and a sweep of the 2 a.m. low. I'm pretty sure this swept, yeah, right at the open, right? Now let's look at ES real quick. That same low, the 2 a.m. low, again, I'll show you on the 15-minute. During the open, we did not sweep. So here we have SMT. Now, pretty much my longs are confirmed at this point. So I am going to be looking for a possible entry. Now, 5 is kind of clustered. We have this huge wick and then price just taking off higher from there. So let's go to the 1 minute where I went in long. I kind of just got in at this point, but you could have waited to this candle to confirm the IFEG or wherever you guys want to, but just know that everything from the sweep points to long, which is why I went in long in this area. Because if this is more of an A+ setup, and to be realistic, my target was this high. Right, so I'm not shooting for anything above, even though this is where I do anticipate price to go to, up to the Asia high and up to these highs up here. But if I have a daily profit target that I'm reaching for, I'm not gonna wait for price to close here and then enter, right? Just to put that in perspective for you guys. Let me put this limit. If I waited for this candle to close, and I don't know, let's just say stop loss was here. My R&R is not the best. What I did take was, this was the trade I took with, I believe it's 10 contracts. I thought it was 10 contracts, but regardless, this is the trade that I took for today. And just to show you guys, this is, yeah, so it was 10 contracts. So maybe I marked something up wrong, to be exact. But yeah, when I took this picture, we were up 1,800, probably closed around 2,000, maybe 2,200. I don't know. I'm pretty tired, so I wasn't paying attention. But let's just say we closed at $2,000 day. Again, pretty simple. We have a sweep, so we mark this up as a sweep. A low swept. ES did not sweep that low. That indicates that ES is stronger, right? Let's just write that out just so you guys know what I'm talking about. There we go. All right, ES is stronger, but NQ will follow. What does that mean? It means that ES is not going to take this same low out. It's just going to buy versus NQ gathering liquidity to buy. So yes, in the case ES is stronger, but NQ will still follow, right? Keep that in mind as we continue. So I take my trade. I know that NQ will follow. Now let's look at ES. What does ES do? We give a tiny, tiny, tiny IFVG in the area where we were looking for our entry for NQ. So this is the 632 candle. This is the 632 candle, right? Let's go back. 632 candle. Let me highlight that for you guys. 632 candle. Then I'll highlight this for you guys. That's terrible. 632 candle. So if ES is already showing strength or signs of strength and closing with the IFVG, this just entices me even more to take that NQ buy, which is what I did and which is how we made close to $2,000 on the day. And now I'm going to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment. We do have our mentorship as well. But regardless if you join or not, does not matter to me. We're just here to keep building, right? I might drop a video of the rest of New York later on today, but just stay tuned. Regardless, if you do join the Discord and join the mentorship, hope to see you guys in there and utilize me for any questions. That's all we're here for. Me and my partners, we will answer any questions that you give to us. All right, have a good rest of your day, night, whatever it is. And today is Monday, so we still have the rest of the trading week to make money. So make that money, y'all.